This video brought to you by Blackbeard Fire Starters. Alright folks, it's about 38 degrees out. It's a little cold, a little snowy, a little rainy, but I'm going to be doing a product review on the Blackbeard fire plugs. I'll put a couple of links up on the screen for you. Blackbeard sent me out this fire plug kit. I'm just going to walk you through it real quick. It comes with a nylon carry bag, several pockets on the inside, pocket on the outside, a bag of 50 fire plugs, and we'll be popping that open so you can take a look at those. A plasma lighter with a lanyard. This thing's pretty neat. It's USC rechargeable, and you get, I believe, 100 effective uses out of it before you have to recharge it. A Ferro Rod. I've already started using it. 5-inch long Ferro Rod with the striker on it. So I'm going to open this up. I've already done it once before, taken a look at them and tried them out. I'm going to show you the fire plugs and a couple of different ways you can light them, and then we're going to see how this thing goes. Alright, so I've taken a couple out. They're covered in a coating that helps keep them waterproof, and there's a couple of ways that they give you instructions on how to utilize them. Alright, so one of the ways is you take it, you bend it, and then you start working the piece around. As you notice, it's getting a little bit bigger, a little bit fluffier. And keep twisting. And it starts to open up and expose more of the fibers that are on the inside. Another alternate is along the same similar lines. You can take a knife, cut down, start exposing the interior portion. You open it up. You can see the fibers in there. Like so. This one I'm just going to cut. So it's almost like a little candle. Now what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to start with the lighter first. Alright, so open it up, little push button, pops open. I'm going to try this piece here. That's pretty good. And take this other piece. Actually, like this one off of here. Now these are waterproof, and what they suggest is if they've gotten wet is obviously you want to try to wipe off the moisture as much as you can, but once you expose the interior fibers, that's what you're going to be working with. So even if they get wet, just fray it up a little bit more, cut it open a little bit more, and you should be able to get a good contact going. So with this lighter, it's kind of hard to see. It's got 4 contact points and the activation button. Closes up, lock secure. It's effectively waterproof, and you can keep this in a pocket, in a backpack, whatever you need. Now we're going to try the Ferro Rod, see if I can get a little spark going. It's not too bad. My aim is a little off, but it does throw the sparks pretty decently. And once those fibers are lit, you're good to go. So the fire plugs, they're light, portable. You don't even need a whole lot of them. Just a few in your pocket or in a bag and you're good to go. You should be able to, at that point, with the right amount of tinder and kindling, get a good fire going. I was just using the plugs by themselves, nothing additional with that, and I got a good flame on here.